parrots of Telegraph Hill come to spend some time in the inner sunset. They're eating holly berries, or eating apples over here. It's hard to see. There goes one now, there goes another. Flying over to meet their friends. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are eating another type of berry on the tree. I hope they're good for them. And then there's the lookout, who's perched up here, watching what's going on. Our friends here in the apple tree. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the apple tree. So I guess that brings us to a total of 14 parrots.